Okay my friends, in this video we're gonna test out if Dawn dish soap actually destroy your car clear coat, and we're gonna find out if Dawn dish soap remove car waxes, spray sealant and ceramic coating. I have prepared a beautiful 2016 Golf for this huge test, applied fresh protection to it, so I hope you're ready. We're gonna do 26 washes to it, 1 year worth of car washes with Dawn dish soap. By the end of this episode, you'll know if Dawn dish soap is a clear coat killer and if it removes waxes. So let's get to it. What's up, my name is Frank. I've been detailing cars for over a decade now. This channel is all about real-world authentic detailing. Okay, so back in March, I made a video on Dawn dish soap and car detailing. This video turned out to be viral. I certainly did not expect that. So basically, I did a full maintenance wash on my BMW M340i to prove the point that Dawn can be used from time to time and is not as harsh as some people are led to believe. But this video got a lot of attention, 500,000 views to be exact. It created a war zone in the comment section. The pro Dawn people versus the people who believe Dawn is the devil. I've seen comments from, if Dawn is good enough to clean the ducts, it's good enough to clean my car. Never use Dawn, it will eat your clear coat. I've been working in the body shop for 35 years. You never use Dawn, it will kill your clear coat. Your clear coat will peel. I mean, the funniest stuff I've ever seen. Now today, we're gonna put an end on that nonsense. I have a beautiful white 2016 VW Golf. We're gonna wash it, we're gonna prep it, we're gonna apply a Meguiar's traditional wax, a spray wax, a spray sealant, and even my favorite 1 year ceramic coating, so you don't want to miss this out. And then we'll wait 24 hours for the protection product to cure. We'll do 1 year worth of car wash using Dawn dish soap, 26 washes, 1 wash every other week, and we'll show you in real time if the clear coat is going to peel or if Dawn dish soap is even going to strip a simple spray wax. So the dilution rate for Dawn dish soap is going to be 500 to 1, just like in the first video of Dawn. I'll leave the link in the description for you. So we're gonna use 40 ml of Dawn dish soap for about 20 liters of plain water in my bucket. We'll use the foam cannon for the first wash, and I will even sprinkle some extra Dawn in the bucket for you so no one goes crazy about the fact that I screwed up the dilution, maybe using the foam cannon. Okay guys, so here I have Bola Solution Paint Cleanser. So this is gonna remove the protection here, the wax, the sealant, whatever is on the panel. It's gonna remove contamination, iron particles, water spots, minerals, all that stuff. It's like polishing your car in a quick and easy way. So we're gonna remove everything from this panel. It's gonna brighten the finish just a little bit and prep the panel to apply protection, okay? So we're gonna give it a wash after the paint cleanser. Make sure we have no residue from this polish. So now you can see the paint is bare. There's nothing remaining. This paint is ready to apply protection. So we're gonna do this on all the panels on this right side of the driver. Okay, we're gonna dry the car. The last step before applying our protection is going to be the paint prep. So I'm using the Gion prep. So here I have Tax System Shiny Wax. Okay, so now I have a different towel, a brand new clean and dry microfiber. We're gonna use the best and greatest new sealant on the market. That's Bola Solution Z. Okay, right now I have the 1-year ceramic coating, tack system Moonlight, very well known in the detailing industry. The whole panel here, the swing, and up to the roof, all right? 3 big dots, line in the middle, go around the edges, and come back in a crisscross application. This is a solvent-based product, so it's really robust. I'm gonna buff this off right away. Okay, so our Meguiar's liquid wax is hazed up. Let's remove it. All right, so check out the gloss. Very glossy. By the way guys, every product and tools used in this video will be linked down in the description for you. You can use my code DOGMA to save some money. And let's get back into the video. Okay, first wash, 24 hours later. And is it gonna remove the clear coat? Or we're gonna kill the wax, or we're gonna kill the sealant, the ceramic coatings? Let's find out. Okay, first rinse. Oh no, it's beating water. The wax is alive, the coating is alive too. And the Meguiar's wax is alive as well. All right, to make sure we don't have a residue left by down, for some of those, we're gonna say that down will leave the water beading or will sheet the water off the panel. Seems pretty squeaky clean. I'm gonna use a brand new microfiber towel. We'll just get this wet, go over the panel, make sure we have everything rinsed, even though we rinsed with water already. All right. Meguiar's traditional wax is good. The spray wax is good. It's a naturally sheeting. Now the sealant. The spray sealant is good. And the 1-year ceramic coating, amazingly good. So right now we're gonna go through 25 more washes. If you wash your car every other week for a full year, you're gonna end up with about 26 washes. We're gonna do that right now and reevaluate. Rinse the Dawn dish soap between each application, each washes. Wash number 3. Wash number 4. Wash number 5. Wash number 6. So far everyone is alive. No issue, no clear coat peeling. Not to mention this ceramic coating. You're supposed to wait 3 days before the first wash, all right? So this is only 24 hours. Number 7. Rinse number 7. Number 8, wash number 8. Wash number 9. Wash number 11. Number 12. Almost halfway. Rinse number 12. Wash number 13, we haven't been through our protection product, even the basic wax. Number 13, rinse. Number 14, rinse number 14. No problem there. Number 15, flip the wash mitt for you. Get more soaps in there, you know. Rinse number 15. Number 16. Rinse number 16. Good. Number 17. Rinse number 17. Number 18. Je suis rendu à 18 lavages. Ben oui, c'est ça le vidéo. Rinse number 18. Wash number 19. Wash number 20. Wash number 20. Rinse. Extreme beading. Ceramic coating. Spray sealant beading. Spray wax. Sheeting good. Liquid wax from Meguiar's. Sheeting. Keep going. Wash number 21. Rinse number 21. Number 22. Everyone is still alive. Very good. Rinse number 22. Number 23. Everyone is alive. Rinse number 23. 3 more to go. Number 24. Wash 24. Rinse number 24. We're almost out of soap, but there's 2 more washes, all right? Number 25. Rinse number 25. 26, last wash of the year, number 26. 1 more wash with Dawn. Last rinse, number 26. A full year of washes with Dawn. The ceramic coating is doing immensely good. The spray sealant is beading for the most part and sheeting. The spray wax is still sheeting. Okay, don't go too far. We're gonna do the wet towel again, make sure we have no residue. Now we can try an alcohol-based paint prep here. Gonna spray that with our wet towel. Alcohol. Well, beading and sheeting, a little bit weak, but still good for wax. The spray wax. Spray wax is great. I think anyone would be happy with this. Spray sealant. Spray sealant is doing quite good. Maybe it lost like 20% of its original beading. Maybe I did not apply it perfectly when we did the application, but nonetheless, it's alive. No, the coating doesn't care about Dawn, doesn't care about alcohol, right? Okay, let's see if we have clear coat peeling like some of you are so worried about. Dawn is the devil. Dawn is the enemy, right? Not a problem, still shiny. No clear coat peeling. Okay, so new towel, let's apply a spray sealant and at the same time inspect for any clear coat peeling or clear coat failure. Now I'm sure we're still gonna have people argue that Dawn is the devil. We're still gonna have a fight in the comment section, but as you guys have seen, Dawn could not even remove an old technology wax such as Meguiar Ultimate Wax. And I still don't want to promote using Dawn dish soap for your maintenance washes, but Dawn will definitely not remove clear coat at 500 to 1 dilution. So if Dawn dish soap is not your thing and you're still wondering what is the best car soap in the game, watch this video right here. And with that being said guys, I'll see you in the next one.